Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and guess which dance mom is going to be the dance mom front and center at the Disney parade this weekend. Not one, but both of her girls are going to be performing at Disneyland, down the street, down the parade, like you see every time at Disneyland. My girls are going to be there this weekend. As excited as I am preparing now by doing my hair in advance. Today I teamed up with UNICE. They sent me this beautiful wavy pre-everything wig. Now this one here is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig in the length 26 inches. What that means is pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. I went ahead and did a quick and easy 10 minutes or less install, and now that she is like installed and styled, look at those waves. Literally gonna take it to the hotel in a wig head. That way on the morning of, when I'm doing hair and makeup for the girls, I can just plop her on, add a thin layer of this, which is a non-glue adhesive, and pair it with the UNICE melt belt. Let it bond down, brush out those curls, and be super fly with my mini ears on, watching my girls like a proud mama. Now I know that was a lot, but I really love this wig. It is definitely one that you can depend on for day to day, for vacations, for special occasions, which I am celebrating a special occasion with my girls this weekend, and I think I just will look like the ultimate boss mom, dance mom, all of the above. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Just received this package yesterday from UNICE, and it is time to go ahead and put her on. You guys already know the drill. It's probably like 3:30. It's probably past time to leave for dance, but we gotta put this wig on because we don't got no wigs. So this is the packaging, and what's really cute is they upgraded the packaging. They now have these cute little totes, and this is reusable. It says UNICE, and it's in their beautiful signature color. You can use it like as a toiletry bag. Really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side because she will be getting some use. And then let's go ahead and see what wig we got this time. Hopefully it's something super simple and easy to install because I literally have like 5 minutes. I will show you guys like the packaging and everything they included at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. Everything's so fancy. Nice and bougie. And this one here is 26 inches in length, 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. We love to see it. Okay, so it looks like we're going wavy. Oh yes, this is gonna be super easy. Piece of cake. We're going wavy, and they gave us some curls. This is my shapers, and this is like a lighter hold. The other one I use, I think, is a super hold. And even though it's a light hold, I'm still going to be a little bit heavy-handed with it and spray the curls down just so that they can be preserved and I don't have to really touch them up. And then when you come up here, you guys can see we're going pre-everything. So this pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and then it's also a pre-plucked hairline. You remove this little paper. Now you can see that beautiful scalloped cut. Really nice. And this is gonna act like camo for your wig. Just look at the roots on that. You can tell this one's gonna be super fire. I wish I had somewhere to go because this one is definitely a banger. And then when you turn it inside out, you guys can see this is a full frontal. Not a full lace wig, but a full frontal, which means you can part it anywhere along the lace from ear to ear. They also included the wig tape or ear tape, so you'll be able to peel and stick and apply, which is gonna make this simple and easy. And even better than that, they included the upgraded drawstring technology. So literally you pull, there's a little stopper. When you find your spot, use a stopper to hold it in place, and now it can be super snug on your head without being too tight. And then you'll be able to tuck the excess drawstring into your wig. So let's go ahead and put her on. If I did not mention, this one does have combs and the adjustable strap, and you guys can get a full view of all of that here. Now let's go ahead and put her on and bond her down, and I fear we're gonna have to literally just put her on and go. With the drawstring, you just pull it and adjust, and it literally just adjusts as tight as you need it to, and then you can tuck it right in, pull it down, and voila, we are installed. Get a load of the hairline. This one definitely has a super snug fit, so you don't have to do much at all. I'm gonna add a little bit of bed head just to melt it really good. I feel like when you melt it, the baby hairs come out better. Put the lace on top. And you can even allow it to air dry. You don't have to blow dry at all. Just kind of work that in there. You guys know I like it when the baby hairs and the hairline is a little like mangled, if you will. Not too perfect, not too much. And from here you can see we're almost good to go. Look at how beautiful this is. And we haven't even done anything but literally just put it on. And this is what she looks like from the back. Okay, we can do a little one too. So let's just start off with the dynamic duo. It's already a bust down middle part, so let's just keep it as so. And you guys know I go generous with the wax. I know that looks crazy, but trust the process. And then you can take an electric hot comb. This one is discontinued, but I will have a similar one in the description box. And you just press this until it is as smooth as you get it. The great thing about a wig, it's not your real hair, so you don't have to worry about too many heat passes, heat damage. None of that matters. Look at how fleeky and smooth and perfect that looks. Okay, hairline looks pretty good. I am proud, especially for how quick I'm going. Okay, next up, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace. This is Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the shade 15. This is like my skin tone in a cream form. And I'm just gonna pack this into the parting, giving it a skin-like effect. I personally feel like a cream or a liquid product looks better and it melts better and it looks more skin-like than a powder. But to each his own. And I'm gonna switch brushes and I'm gonna take that same product and I'm gonna go with the darker shade, mix in a little bit of light and pack that in along the hairline just so you can watch the lace go missing. Now this side is a before and this side is an after. You still gotta blend it out, but you can see that if you trust the process, you can make this look really good. Look at that. It's giving forehead, girls. Now you guys know I keep a towel handy. For now, let's just press it in with a tissue. A tissue probably makes more sense because you can just throw it away. And you kind of just want to press it in and blend it out. Now we can peel and stick. And you literally just peel off the back of this double-sided ear tape. Find where you want it to go, sweep your edges back and stick. Don't bring it up too far forward or too far down because you don't want it to you don't want to pull it taut because then it'll be more likely to lift. You kind of just go in and work it and now it's bonded down. We're going to Disneyland this weekend and if I were to get on a ride that was a little too crazy, I would rely on this to kind of help me make sure my wig don't fall off. Same thing on this side, push your natural edges back. Stick it in a comfortable position where it's not tugging on anything. Work it in. You can add a little bit of that same spray underneath, which I normally do. But the sake of today, or for the sake of today, I think that works. So we are installed. I'm going to take this wet brush. And isn't it so cute? I'll have it linked in the description box. And give the hair one nice, good brush. We'll use our Frizz Busters. You guys know this is my favorite serum because this was my mommy's favorite serum. I like to go in with just a little bit. It's not too oily. It's almost like a dry or oil where it helps to cancel out frizz, but it won't make it oily like an oil, if that makes any sense. And it gives a nice shine, especially to the ends. Work it all the way up. And I feel like you can add some fire. What am I trying to say? Oh, I feel like you can make some fire layers into this one. But then again, I just want to keep it nice and full and long. This is definitely giving Disneyland hair. But for now, we gotta go. And I think it looks good. Here's what it looks like from the back. Okay, I'll be back with an update in like an hour or two, maybe 4. So stay tuned. Okay, so again, we've been outside. We've been going through it, having fun. I'm gonna go ahead and reinforce the edges and add a melt though. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more spray, so you guys can get a really melted look. Whenever we're doing a baby hair, you gotta have a super melted look. Hi, baby. Okay, so while that sets, look out how beautiful this is. I feel like you can, I think I said this already, but you can add a little layer right here to do that really nice little Farrah Fawcett sexy bang. Today I don't want to cut any layers, so I'm just gonna add an ever so slight amount of loose curls. Not too, I kind of want it like a little bit boho. How do you say it, boho? Where you don't really make it too uniform. They don't have to be perfect sizes. Just adding a little extra oomph but still keeping it wild and natural. So yeah, I think it came out absolutely fire. Perfect. It's gonna be the perfect sexy mom hair. Super effortless. And then when I have an event, I can pop this on and it's, I don't know, it's just fire. It just gives sexy. It just gives grown woman. You really can't go wrong with the bust down middle part. A little bit of wave, giving a brown goddess. So this here's the packaging from UNICE, and as you guys can see, they give us this beautiful color. I already showed you guys this bag, and it's actually coming in handy because we're doing a little staycation at the hotel or the Disney hotel, so it'll be nice to use this to load up all the toiletries I have right now. Like all the hair stuff I'm gonna need between me and the girls can literally fit in this bag, so that is perfect. Thank you, UNICE. And then inside of that was this box here, which also housed our wig as well as the goodies. And as you guys can see, the theme, the brand, all of it is on point. Here we have the dust bag with the UNICE logo. Super nice and a great attention to detail. You guys see we already used the milk belt, but they gave us not one but 2 packs of UNICE HD wig caps. And as you guys can see, there's a UNICE brand, so you guys can only get these exclusively on the UNICE website. And then also they gave us the press-ons, which these look a little bit different, like a newer style. You guys see how it goes around? I don't know that I probably have, but I feel like this is an upgraded style. Let me show you guys the hair from the back. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I'll be sure to leave a link, details, direct link, you know, all of it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.